against the 2021 World Environment Day, SOFER Initiative, in partnership with the United Nations, has come up with Ghost Gear Craft Contest for eco-restoration. This contest is open to the general public. Registration is ongoing and ends on the 30th of May. The top 10 crafters will get the opportunity to have their crafts sold online, an opportunity for international partnership, and an exposure on our website. This is not forgetting our mouth-watering prizes for the top 3 contestants. For more information, visit our website at www.soferinitiative.org. Thank you.